Hey guys, what's good? It's Shakir, and I'm coming to you guys to tell you my initial thoughts of this new Malaysian curly hair that I bought from AliExpress. I bought a 16, 18, 20, and a 22 inch of Malaysian curly, and the company that I brought it from is alibraba here on AliExpress. And in total everything cost $137, so I got it for a great deal. And it came packaged in this white plastic bag that has the inches on it, as usual for AliExpress here. And then surprisingly mine came in a UPS bag, which shocked me because normally when you get hair from AliExpress, you get it in a DHL bag, and I got my hair. I ordered it on the 8th of November. Oh no, I ordered it on the 4th and I got it on the 8th. So it took me 4 days, and the communication is A1, like A1. They answered all my questions, everything, no problems. And this is the Malaysian curly hair. This is just straight out of pack. I didn't co-wash it yet. So this is how it looks. And this is one of the best constructed hair that I've gotten in a long time. So there's no beards and stuff on it. Like, there's no beards on it. You know, on AliExpress here, you normally have like beards and stuff. There's no beards on this. So I know the wefts are going to last long. And the ends are amazing. Like, I've been playing with this here, so it probably look frizzy, but the ends are A1, like A1. I've never seen ends this good from AliExpress here. So yeah. And also this hair is so soft. Like, it's soft, very, very soft, and I love that. I can't wait to install it. So when I install it, I'll do an update video. This is just my initial thoughts of the hair. So when I install it, I'll do an update video and tell you guys what's happening. And I'll also do a full review on this hair in like 2 months or a month. So that's all. Love you guys. Bye.